Bonobo peaceful, chimpanzee violent is the story you have almost certainly heard when people discuss the two species in the genus Pan. Turns out there's some nuance to that. A new study of chimp and bonobo behavior in the wild has found that yes, male chimpanzees are much more likely to kill each other, but they're also much less likely to attack each other in the first place. And to be clear, male bonobos are perfectly capable of killing each other, just behaviorally they tend not to attack with lethal force the way that male chimpanzees do, which means that male bonobo conflict is lower stakes and they can afford to engage in it more often. Because of the incredibly high stakes of violence and social dominance in chimpanzee communities, male chimpanzees often form coalitions where small groups of males will get together to protect each other from other males and try to achieve collective dominance over their social group together. Male bonobos are not especially concerned with social dominance, so this is yet another reason why they can afford to fight with their brothers, and it's not a fatal mistake. So is it still accurate to say that male chimpanzees are more violent than male bonobos? Kinda? I think the real takeaway is that violence is a single word that describes a fairly broad spectrum of behaviors, and different types of violence are not necessarily interchangeable. I feel like in the biology psychom sphere, when we really push people to respect the nuance and diversity of nature and stop simplifying spectra into binaries if you want to understand what's going on, we are almost always talking about sex and gender. But this is always good advice, actually, even when there aren't political implications of what we're talking about. Like, if your goal is to understand the reality of living things, you need to bear in mind that the ways that we describe biology almost always reflect less nuance than is present in biology.